To auto use your own photo as the driving mode home screen wallpaper in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode screen, tap driving, scroll down the screen. Under wallpaper section, tap home screen thumbnail, tap gallery, and then select the desired photo you like to use. Here you can see the preview of this wallpaper. If you are okay with the result, tap done button. By doing this, the selected photo will automatically be used as your home screen wallpaper when the driving mode is active. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.